So it is my final morning in Dubai. Let me just show you this view from my balcony. It's pretty awesome, and this is glass, so if one is scared of heights, then this probably wouldn't work for you. I just wanted to kind of do a few reflections of my time here in Dubai. I've been here for just over a week. The purpose of my trip was to attend the Self-Made Maximum Achievement Summit, which was put on by my mentors Byron and Bianca. It's been phenomenal, and I feel like I've had a rocket put up my tush to really be intentional for the next quarter. So I have spent the summit finished on Saturday, well Friday technically, everybody left on Saturday, but I took an extra couple of days just because I needed to process and work and think about and reflect on the things that we learned, and just being very intentional about what my next steps will be. So Byron and Bianca, I am incredibly grateful. It's been phenomenal. And also shout out to Cara and Emma, because you're also phenomenal. And yeah, it's been amazing, just thinking about where my business could go, taking my personal journey further. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the next quarter and seeing how much I can, I don't even want to say flourish, I want to say explode. But thank you so much, and yeah, I'm gonna miss this view, but I know that I'll be back again.